Okay, this part we're going to treat like a share and show. So I'm going to read the directions to you, and then you're going to press pause. You're going to solve the problems, and then you're going to press play to check your answers. So find the area of the rectangle or square. Well, you're going to use the formula A equals base times height. Remember, base is the one that's on the bottom, height is the one that's perpendicular to it or at a right angle. Okay, go ahead and get started on number 1 and then press play when you're done. Okay, let's go ahead and solve problem number 1. So my base is the one going horizontally, so it's going to be B equals 6 and H equals 13. So my area equals base, which is 6, times 13. Now in order to do that, I'm going to show my work. So I'm going to do 13 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Regroup my 1. 1 times 6 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So my area is going to equal 78. However, I'm not finished yet because I need to make sure I write my units. This was measured in meters. So that means the inside of my rectangle is in squared meters. So it's SQM. So 78 square meters. Okay, go ahead and do number 2 and then press play when you're ready to check your work. Okay, welcome back. We're correcting number 2. My base equals 19 and my height equals 7. So my area is going to equal 19 times 7. I'm going to come over here and do some side math to show my work. 7 times 9 is 63. Regroup my 6. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 6 is 13. So my area equals 133. But I'm not done yet because remember, area is measuring the whole inside, which is squared. So I have square, and this is feet. So square feet. So for the answer for number 2 is area equals 33 square feet. Okay, press pause and then press play again when you're ready to correct number 3. Okay, welcome back. Let's do the area for number 3. Now, if you notice, my side lengths on number 3 are the same, which means that this shape is actually a square. Either way, I can solve it like it's a square or I can solve it like it's a rectangle. Either way, I'm going to get the same answer. So my sides equal, my S equals 30. So I'm going to do area equals S times S, or area equals 30 times 30. Now I can do this one in my head because I know my times table is by 3. So because 30 times 30 is really just 3 times 3, I know that it's going to start with a 9 because 3 times 3 equals 9, and then I add 2 zeros for my 30, so it equals 900. So my area equals, remember it's the measure of the inside, so square feet. Okay, press play when you're ready to correct number 4. Okay, welcome back. This is a rectangle. My base equals 14. My height equals 3. So area equals 14 times 3. I'm going to show my work off here to the side. 14 times, or 14. 3 times 4 is 12. Regroup my 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So my area equals 42 square inches. Because remember, I'm measuring the inside, so it has to be squared inches. Okay, thanks for doing the area review with us. Now you can go ahead and start on your practice.